everyone. It is an at-home day today, and just there's a lot of stress right now just like getting this 2-week vacation plan that's coming up on, and just there's a lot of stuff also going on in the background of like birthdays and anniversaries and inclement weather that we suddenly had dumped down on us, where we had thunderstorms and flooding, and now we're looking at snow and ice, and it's really crazy. So I just needed a day at home to we're doing no school today, and we're just going to do cleaning today, and I am just going to completely empty my pantry, write out a list of foods that I can finish off before the trip, and make a meal plan based on that, because that would also help a little bit. So yeah, that's my goal for today. Is I'm going to turn you around, we're going to turn some music on, and let's organize the pantry together today. Just put this video on in the background while you clean, or just sit down with a cup of coffee and listen to the music, whatever you want to do, but let's get some cleaning done today.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And